Welcome to all in my YouTube channel English Grammar by Urmila Devi. My today's topic is present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense is used to express a habitual action, hobbies, and daily events, etc. Examples are: she gets up early in the morning, I go to walk daily, she sings a song. Number 2. Present indefinite tense is also used to express general truths, scientific principles, and facts, etc. Examples are: the earth moves around the sun sets in the west, the stars shine in the sky, the water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, ice melts above 0 degrees Celsius, etc. Number 3. Present indefinite tense is also used in exclamation to express what is actually taking place. Examples are: here comes the bus, see how she sings. Next question is how we make sentences in present indefinite tense. So, let us start to make sentences in this tense. Number 1. Affirmative sentences. Subject plus first form of verb with s or es plus object plus other words. Subject. If your subject is I, we, you, they or plural subject, then you have to use first form of verb plus object plus other words. Please note, here you have to use first form of verb. I go to walk daily, we play football, you work hard, they sing a song. Go, play, work and sing are first form of verb without s or es. But if your subject is he, she, it or singular subject, then you have to use first form of verb with s or es plus object plus other words. Examples are: she gets up early in the morning, he writes a letter, cow eats grass, it gives milk, Ram watches television. Here notes verb form get, write, eat, give and watches use with themselves s or es. Negative sentences. If your subject is I, we, you, they or plural subject, then you have to use helping verb do not plus first form of verb plus object plus other words. Examples are: I do not play football, we do not sing a song, you do not like games, they do not help me, boys do not play hockey. Please note helping verb do not and first form of verb. But if your subject is he, she, it and singular subject, then you have to use helping verb does not plus first form of verb plus object plus other words. Here don't use s or es with first form of verb because your s or es have been put with the do and do becomes does. So if you are using does, then you have to use only first form of verb without s or es. Examples are: he does not sing a song, she does not read books, it does not eat grass, Bikram does not tell a lie. Note here the verbs and helping verb. And the next sentences are interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, questions are asked. If questions are asked, then helping verbs do or does are used before the sentence. Again, if your subject is I, we, you, they or plural subject, then you have to use do before the sentence, before the subject. Do plus I, we, you, they or plural subject plus first form of verb plus object plus other words. And if your subject is he, she, it or singular subject, then you have to use does before the subject plus first form of verb plus object plus other words. Examples are: do I play tennis? Do we learn English? Do you sing a song? Do they complete their homework? And note, if your subject is he, she, or it, then does is used before the sentence. Examples: does he drive a car? Does she wake up early in the morning? Here bakes is wrong. You have to correct it. It is a bake. Does cow eat grass? Does Sita look beautiful? Next sentence is negative interrogative sentences. Here sentence is negative as well as interrogative. Here question as well as negative statement is imply. So use do or does before the subject plus not plus first form of verb plus object plus other words. Examples are: do you not use mosquito net? Does he work hard? Do they learn their lesson? Do we not perform our duties? I hope you got understand this video. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe.